if sin A is equal to 12 by 15, where A is acute angle, find secant A and cot A. Okay, now solution is very simple. Find secant A. Secant A is a 1 by cos A. Okay, and cot A. Cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Sin A is given, or required what is a cos A. Okay, you know the basic identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, but we require only cos A. Now cos square A is equal to, shift right hand side, 1 minus sin square A. Okay, now therefore cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin A. Sin A is 12 by 15. Sin square A means 12 by 15 whole square. Okay, and this is equal to 1 minus 12 square means 144 divided by 15 square is 225. Multiply 225 minus 144 is 81 divided by 225. Cos square A is equal to 81 by 225, and therefore cos A is equal to square root of 81 by 225. You know that 81 is a 9 square, correct, and this is a 15 square. This is cos A. Now therefore cos A is equal to square root and square is cancelled, only remaining cos A is equal to 9 by 15. We get cos A. Next required secant and cot. Now secant A is equal to 1 upon cos A, or 1 upon 9 by 15, or 15 by 9. Secant A is equal to 15 by 9. Okay, next is a cot. Cot A is equal to cos A divided by sin A. You know the cos A, 9 by 15 divided by sin A, 12 by 15. 15 cancel, 3 3s are 3 4s are. Therefore cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Now this is required solution.